Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect American Express to your PayPal account step by step clearly. To connect your American Express card to your PayPal account, first, log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the wallet option found at the top of the page. In the wallet section, look for the option that says link a card and click on it. You will now see a form prompting you to enter your card details. Begin by entering your American Express card number in the designated field. Next, fill in the expiration date of your card, which is typically found on the front of the card. Then, enter the security code, usually a 4-digit number printed on the front of your American Express card. Select the billing address associated with your American Express card from the drop-down menu. If you don't see your address listed, you can enter it manually in the fields provided. Once you have filled in all the required information, review it for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Link Card button to proceed. PayPal may prompt you to verify your card via a small temporary charge. Check your American Express account for this temporary charge to find the verification code. Return to your PayPal account and enter the verification code in the required field. After entering the code, click on Submit to finalize the connection process. Congratulations, your American Express card is now linked to your PayPal account. You can now use your card for transactions through PayPal seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.